Welcome to Series 1, Episode 1 of Building the Model Lighthouse. My name is Jamie, this is Jamie Makes, and over the next few weeks we're going to attempt to build a replacement model lighthouse for my garden. I'd originally built a model lighthouse based off the Lighthouse of Song of the Sea. It's a beautiful cartoon. If you haven't seen it, please do give it a look. The original lighthouse that we'd made, we called it Seamus's Cottage. The tower was made from 100mm PVC pipe and the beacon was one that I bought. It had an accompanying cottage, which was based off the original cottages that you'd see off the islands of Ireland. The original model lighthouse had a tower made from 100mm PVC pipe, which I'd bought a beacon for, and an accompanying lighthouse which I'd hand cut from timber. I'd cut out the windows using a jigsaw and chiseled everything back to the line, and then I'd made the window frames using matchsticks. Over the 3 or so years it's been out in the garden though, the wood is a bit tired. I've repainted it a couple of times, but the weather's just taken its toll and it's time to replace it. In this next one I'm going to build a house off Portland Head Lighthouse, similar to it, but my own twist obviously enough. And it's going to be made from PETG, which should mean that it should last an awful lot longer outdoors. The whole thing took about 3 weeks to make, but I'd always wanted to make my own beacon. It always irked me a little bit that the beacon that I'd used for my original tower was one that I'd bought. So I went about to build a model of probably the most famous lighthouse in Ireland, Fastnet. I'd used the blueprints from the original tower, which I'd based my model off of, and I'd use a book as a reference, a really good book called The Great Lighthouses of Ireland. The beacon in Fastnet, the beacon in my model Fastnet uses a cylinder with an LED filament threaded through the centre. The cylinder has a couple of slots cut in it, and as the cylinder spins around, it exposes and covers the light. This gives the illusion that the light is spinning and flashing like a lighthouse. For this next lighthouse build, I'm hoping to build a beacon which spins the LED. In each LED, there is a lens atop the LED. This means that normally with an LED, it's at its brightest when you look directly towards it. And the idea is, as it spins the LED, it should give a flash as it crosses the eye line of the viewer. So, wish me luck and join me in episode 2, where we're hopefully going to build the beacon to hold the LED. I've been Jamie, this has been Jamie Makes, and thank you very much for your company.